Starting a car detailing business can be a rewarding and profitable venture, especially if you have a passion for cars and attention to detail. Here is a suggested 8-step script for starting a car detailing business. Research the market, look into the competition in your area and see what services they offer and at what price point. This will give you an idea of what to offer and how to price your services. Develop a business plan. A business plan will help you map out the details of your business, including your goal, target market, and marketing strategy. Choose a location. Consider factors like accessibility, visibility, and parking when selecting a location for your business. You may also want to consider whether you want to operate a mobile detailing business or a stationary business with a physical location. Obtain the necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your location, you may need to obtain specific licenses and permits to operate your business. Check with your local government to determine what you need. Gather supplies and equipment. You'll need a variety of supplies and equipment to get started, such as cleaning products, towels, brushes, and a pressure washer. Consider purchasing high-quality products to ensure the best results for your clients. Set up a pricing structure. Determine how much you want to charge for your services, keeping in mind your competition and the costs of your supplies and equipment. You may want to offer different packages or a la carte options for different levels of detailing. Market your business. There are many ways to market your car detailing business, including social media, local advertising, and word of mouth. You may also want to consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new customers. Keep up with industry trends. To stay competitive, it's important to keep up with the latest trends and techniques in the car detailing industry. This might include new products or techniques for cleaning and protecting surfaces or training in advanced detailing techniques. By following these steps, you can set yourself up for success in the car detailing business. With dedication and hard work, you can build a thriving business that provides excellent service to your clients.